Hello everybody. Today we are going to visit one of the important flyover of Dadar, Kavivarya Keshav Sut Uddan Pool, popularly known as Keshav Sut Flyover, which is situated opposite Dadar railway station. This flyover was constructed 35 years back for the vehicles to avoid crowd coming from the Dadar railway station. This is two-way flyover of length around 400 meters. We have started walking from north direction and heading towards south direction. Footpath is not provided because this flyover is used by vehicles only. Ahead on the left hand side you can see Dadar station, and on the right hand side you can see different types of buildings. These buildings are very old, more than 70 years old. Most of the buildings are in good condition and people are living in the buildings. In the normal condition, this flyover is very busy. But due to coronavirus pandemic, the traffic is negligible. In the normal condition, hundreds of vehicles are passing through this flyover per hour. There is a branch of Dadar police station under this flyover. On the left hand side ahead you can see Dadar station, and on the right hand side now you will see a famous road called Ranade Road. Ranade Road is famous for the shopping. This is the Ranade Road. It will go up to Shivaji Park. Different types of shops are available on the both sides of the road. This is old building you can see. These are all buildings more than 70 to 80 years old. This area is considered to be most crowded area in the Dadar. At present, we are approximately 20 feet above the road on this flyover. Hence, we can see only top portion of the Dadar railway station on the left hand side. This bridge is made up of cement concrete. On the left hand side, you can see Dadar station. This is Dadar station. The oldest bridge in Dadar is Tiak Bridge, which connects Dadar West to Dadar East. I will try to make one separate video on that bridge. Crowd coming from Dadar station is passing from below this flyover. On the left hand side you can see now Dadar railway station. This is Dadar railway station. You can see. Dadar railway station is indicated. This is Dadar railway station. You can see very busy station in Mumbai. On the right hand side you can see a very important road of Dadar, De Silva Road. This road is always occupied by fruits and vegetable sellers. Hundreds of people are coming here to purchase fruits and vegetables from Dadar as well as from around area of Dadar. De Silva Road is considered to be main market for fruits and vegetables. One more old building you can see on the right hand side. Name of the road over which this flyover is constructed is known as Tulsi Pipe Road. While walking over this flyover we can have overlook of roads near Dadar railway station. Also we can get opportunity to see old buildings opposite Dadar railway station. In Mumbai, rates of real estate are very high near any railway station in Mumbai. Areas near railway stations are considered to be very prime locations in Mumbai. More than 70% of population of Mumbai travel by local trains. We are walking on this flyover continuously. We have started from north direction and heading towards south direction. We have covered more than half distance now. Below this flyover, some shops are allotted to Cobbler Association of Mumbai, where people purchase shoes, sandals, chappals at very economical rates. I will try to make separate video on these shops. Below this flyover, space is allotted also to local municipal office. Now we have started descending this flyover. The flower market, popularly known as Phul Bazar of Dadar, is located on the roads adjacent to this flyover. This flower market of Dadar is around 100 years old. I will try to make separate video on this flower market. Ahead you can see tall towers. These towers are constructed newly. Due to coronavirus pandemic, you can see very less traffic on this flyover. As per latest news, more than 38,000 corona positive cases detected in Mumbai alone. Hope you will find this video informative and interesting. If you like this video, share this video and send comments. I will try to reply your all comments. Subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this video till the end.